So our analytics integrates with the safety and security product, and it allows you to analyze security camera footage, and it offers insights into the customer behavior and movements and patterns of movements across your site. So lots of people prefer to look at data as opposed to videos or visual images. So this is an easy way to consume that granular level and get a real good understanding as to what's been happening across your site. Show you a few of the features in there now. I'll start with our count feature. So this is our people and vehicle counting. So this is our demo environment here. We have a few cameras set up, and you can see that I've got by default the last 7 days of the people count across my site, across all of my cameras. So I can look at this for people or vehicles, as I said. I can also look at it on an hour or a day, and you can see this is our shopping mall, and the shopping mall closes and is not a 24-hour mall. So you can clearly see the traffic, the peaks and troughs as it goes through the day. We also have a breakdown underneath per camera, and you can see the people and vehicles that are moving in front of your cameras. And this is a powerful way to see where traffic flows are, or maybe where you may need to have a bigger security presence, and areas, particularly in the retail field, where people might be looking in front of shop windows and areas like that. So this is our count function. Second part to our analytics offering is our heat maps. So this is our heat map for activity. You can select your objects that you're interested in on the left-hand side. So at the moment here, I'm looking at people. So we've got some heat maps as to where people are moving in these cameras, where we mostly see the people activity. You can also switch this to the dwell time to give yourselves an understanding as to where people are standing and how long they're standing around in the scene. You can see here in an elevator, we quite often have a lot of people standing around just in front of the elevator, which is to be expected when waiting for the elevator. So just a way to consume our heat map information. As I said, you can sort by object, and you can look at activity and dwell time. The final part I'll show you here is our occupancy tab. So there's a couple of different parts to show you. We have two options here. One is our line crossing. So here we have a count of people going in and out on the site. So this is very useful to know the traffic moving through your site, which entrances and exits people are using, and how they're navigating around. You can see some information about the occupancy during the time periods that we have set here, and you can just see the movement across the site. So the other part to occupancy that I'll show you here is our occupancy in terms of where people have been in the site. Just navigate to this one. Here's an example here. So the software allows you to draw a box around any area that you're interested in totaling and understanding the occupancy of people in the area. So here we've got our butcher's counter, and we're interested in seeing the number of people that have been passing through or standing around the butcher area. And we've got some information here that you can see over the last short period of time, the traffic of people moving around here. So as I said, this is our analytics offering, and it's a very powerful way to consume the data and at a much more granular level, and can be exported and used in other software also. So thank you for your time. Please get in touch if you're interested in finding out anything more about our product offerings. Thank you.